let's talk about pricing. Uh, I think you have priced your IPO at a PE ratio of 48 based on 2025 earnings post issue. तो ये मुझे थोड़ा सा हाई लग रहा है 48 काफी हाई हो जाता है स्पेशली कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट दैट आपका जो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ रहा है कंसोलिडेटेड बेसिस पे दैट हैज बीन अराउंड 8.2% अकॉर्डिंग टू आरएचपी सो आपके प्रॉफिट्स इंक्रीज हुए हैं इस टाइम में बट इवेंचुअली प्रॉफिट्स कांट कंटिन्यू ग्रोइंग लाइक दिस अगर आपकी रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ जो है वो म्यूटेड है तो सो प्राइसिंग के बारे में आप थोड़ा बताएं कि क्या रीजन रहा है इसके पीछे क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था.
Sir, I'll very quickly 30 seconds answer the revenue part and then come to pricing. So, sir, if you see the document in June last year, so June 24, हमारा एक जर्मन पार्टनर था इन द बिजनेस जिसका इक्विटी बायबैक किया है हमने एट अ प्रमोटर लेवल, राइट? नाउ दैट जर्मन पार्टनर यूज्ड टू बी इन आवर top 3, maybe top 2 customer from a revenue contribution, right? And when we did the buyback last year, part of the buyback was that they would discontinue buying from Sudeep, so that their entire loss of revenue we've taken that one time impact in FY25. So while the core underlying business has grown, that loss of revenue has kind of offsetted the growth, so which is why you see a muted growth. But hopefully when you see and unfortunately you don't even have Q1 numbers of last year to compare how significantly we've grown this quarter. But when we announce the Q2 H2 results, you should see the growth momentum in the business. Sir, on the pricing, sir, we have done extensive roadshows, as you can imagine, across India, Hong Kong, Singapore. And the valuation is a derivative of, I think, the anchor book that you saw yesterday, and the price at which all these investors felt comfortable, or how they price and valued Sudeep. So maybe 5-6 months back we did a primary raise, right, where White Oak led the round. We had Nubama and Param Capital come in, where we raised funding for the NSS acquisition. If you see, that was, I think, priced at 562 rupees a share. And today, maybe half year later, we have 563 at the lower end and 593 at the upper end. With a lot more visibility in terms of how the acquired company is getting integrated, the progress we've made in the battery materials ecosystem. So I think all in all, it was a derivative of these things.